So you're not going to believe this. Hi, you guys, it's me again. I am at Julien's auction once again with great delight because I'm here previewing an auction that is completely all about Janet Jackson. I have the great pleasure of being with the CFO of Julien's auction, Martin Nolan, and Martin has been instrumental in pretty much creating this whole thing and from start to finish, which is this weekend.
Absolutely, yeah. First of all, great to see you. Welcome back.
Thank you.
And as I look at that outfit right there, Together Again, and that's up there on the steps. That's Janet from Together Again. And here we are, we're together again. We're almost post-pandemic.
Yes.
And this is the first really open exhibition where we had fans and people coming to see the exhibition we've created to show off the treasures for Janet Jackson.
When you showed me the catalog for this exhibition, for this auction, and I think that for those people that are actually watching this video that are fans of Janet Jackson, you should mention what this catalog is because I'm sure there's going to be a lot of interest.
Doris, the catalog is spectacular.
It is.
All of the credit goes to Janet herself. She's been involved in curating this entire auction from start to finish. Originally, we were going to have the auction in May of last year. It was going to be 200 lots. Then the pandemic hit, and Janet had time to go through her archives and all the items she has, and she said, it's time for her to let go. So the auction became a 1,400 lot auction. It's 3 catalogs. It's a 3-day auction, celebrating an amazing life and career up till now. And Janet wanted the catalog to be something special. And she said, I'd like a video in my catalog. And we said, we don't know that can be done. We've never seen it. It's never been done. And she asked us to explore. And we found something that could actually do it. And then she produced the video for the catalog. It's 3.5 minutes long.
Incredible.
So there's 3 books in the box set. You open the lid of the box set. There's the video from Janet showing Janet performing, wearing all the outfits that you see here and we're going to see on this tour. And then when we see fans posting on YouTube, when they receive their catalog and they're opening the box and then the revelation of the video and the cable to recharge it with a USB port.
Incredible. So thought out.
So thought out. And then she also did a special catalog, 300 only, and it's $800. And all of the proceeds of the sale of that catalog, with the video and the card and the 3 bucks, goes to benefit Compassion International.
Oh.
So that's a charity that's very important to Janet, and it really works with kids in poverty.
Oh, that's wonderful.
It's been around for years. They do great work, and Janet supports them. So that's wonderful. And also, a generous portion of the entire auction will also go to benefit Compassion International.
That's so wonderful.
So when people come to bid, they're going to feel good about, they're coming to own something from Janet, who they know and love.
Right.
But also they know that some of the money will go to a charity. So
That's so great.
It's a feel-good factor. She knows that the items will go to new homes, her fans, to museums. We have interest from museums, collectors, and even investors.
Right.
Because Doris, people look upon these items now as, it's artwork, and certainly when you walk around here, the art that was created with these clothes, it's incredible. The shoes, incredible.
I'm so anxious to show my subscribers some of the incredible pieces that are in here.
Are going to just love it.
But
It's
before
so
I let
unique.
you go, I want to ask you, of all the pieces in this as we go around, is there one that's your favorite?
There is. There's the one that she wore in 1993-1995 World Tour. She wore it performing If. And it's 17th century French military style.
Nice. Okay, I'll look
Some
for
nice
it.
lace work, and it's just, I think you're going to love it. There's an outfit I'm standing looking at right now, that black and white outfit. I don't know whether you watched Schitt's Creek.
Yes, I love
did,
Catherine
and
O'Hara.
Loved it, and I love Moira.
Catherine O'Hara. Yep.
And
It's very Moira.
that's so Moira, right?
Moira Rose, yep.
Absolutely.
Great.
But like the red Atelier Versace outfit from her Rock With You tour in 2008. Amazing. Atelier Versace.
Beautiful.
This particular outfit here you see, and a note from Janet, I hope you enjoy this as much as I do, Janet. That outfit that she wore in a music video that was directed by her Brits.
Oh, wow.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And this was a transformation. It was a different Janet than we had seen up till then. So many aspects to Janet Jackson and her fashion sense, etc. We're standing behind her favorite outfit, Doris. This is from the Velvet Rope tour. And this particular outfit again looks a little bit like, but this was for the music video Got Till It's Gone. 1997 was sort of apartheid time.
Right.
And she did this with Q-Tip, and Joni Mitchell is mentioned or featured in it as well, won a Grammy. So again, amazing. The green outfit behind you, and that's from the opening scene when she descends onto the stage for her Metamorphosis tour.
Great. That's so great.
But it's on and on. Rhythm Nation, of course, is here. You have to see that.
Your whole gallery is filled with her material.
Scream, the video she did in 1995 with her brother Michael Jackson, the most expensive video ever created. It's in the Guinness Book of World Records. 7 million in 1995 for a video.
Wow.
Won Grammys, won all sorts of awards. But I'm just excited for you to walk through, take your time, and just soak it all in.
I'm
it's
so excited
amazing.
too. And I can't thank you enough for giving us this opportunity.
Absolute pleasure. You're always welcome here.
Thank
we
you.
love when you come because
Thank
we
you.
know that you love all this and you appreciate it. And that really gives us the wind in our sail to keep doing what we do.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can see that my appreciation oozes.
It does, and that's what we love. We love that energy.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
it does. So,
Great. Well,
thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure and
Okay.
enjoy.
Thank you. I will. I am.
Thank you.
Okay. And I am standing in front of the ensemble that she wore on tour, the Metamorphosis tour. This is where she was literally coming down from the ceiling, and this electric lime green ensemble was what she revealed herself with. Standing also next to her very favorite costume, and I believe this one was worn during the apartheid period, during what was going on in South Africa. And so there's a lot of inspiration that was drawn from the social events that were going on at that time. I want to also draw attention to how she utilized, with costume designers, elements from, this is from a Japanese wedding kimono, and the skirt is just beautiful. I mean, it's something that could be worn today and is relevant, but it's a stage costume. She had several people that would make her costumes over the course of her time on stage, and I'm sure she'll continue to utilize the same people if they're available, right? And to look at how they created and crafted things that read so well on stage. It's all about how do you perceive it from the audience, or how do you perceive it from the camera? So this is a beautiful, it's a lycra with heat-treated aluminum. They look like studs, but they're not. And this zip jacket, which really accentuates her small waist. We move down the line, and we have a great example of why, or how to differentiate between costumes and actual wardrobe in someone as famous as Janet Jackson. These pieces are made, once again, to read well from the stage. They're not necessarily a fabric, this one, that would be utilized in ready-to-wear design. So this is an awesome fabric for the stage because it really reads well. It reflects light, and clearly these three costumes have had hats made to go with them. And then, of course, we've got costumes everywhere. Kind of fake trapunto elastic leggings. A lot of these were made for her backup dancers and singers but they read beautifully on stage, right? And then as we move down the line, we have inspiration from Native American attire, but really brought up to the 21st century, and wonderful details like with the lace on the boots. And of course, for her or for her stage, the dancers or backup singers, this fabric is inspired by African kente cloth, and these two outfits are made to look like they're made from African cloth. You really want to use fabric that can withstand wear and tear, because you don't, how many performances will they be doing during the course of a tour? And longevity is really key. I love this one because it reminds me of Star Trek, and then this one, the headpiece is just wonderful. It makes me smile. I think of a jester. But what's really cool is they're also including in the auction a lot of the illustrations that were part of the costume designer's work in communicating what that he or she was creating for Janet. In the auction, they're also including a lot of accessories, everything from nail tips to, of course, bracelets, necklaces, and earrings, and rings. But I think the highlight of the accessories are the shoes, because many of them are, so many of them are Christian Louboutin. But there's also McQueen and Dior and Giuseppe Zanotti. But here we've got, I love this cage, this fake kind of corset cage that's worn over a very simple kind of body-hugging, bodycon slip, I would imagine. And I gotta show this piece, this headpiece is, for me, very reminiscent of what you might have seen during the Art Deco period. I love that. And as we move into this alley, we have a lot of accessories that are more in the silver chrome, matte chrome category, and purses that are from Chanel to Fendi to Louis Vuitton, just really beautiful, high quality things. You'll notice a lot of these Louis Vuitton trunks. They look like they've never been used. They're pristine, and they're fantastic size for traveling. And along with her travel accessories, which, I mean, literally, they're all over the place, we have these racks. One rack is filled with an assortment of furs, and then this rack is filled with one piece that stole my heart, which is this McQueen ensemble. And it stole my heart not only because of the use of different patterns, but the cut of this jacket is just incredible. It's really architectural, and it's a craft that not a lot of people can do. So this rack has Rick Owens, and mostly Rick Owens and Alexander McQueen. Just incredible, killer pieces in here. And then there's another showcase filled with black and rhinestones, you know, mostly black and white kind of things. And really odd kind of bustiers, and somebody had a great imagination. But this wall is a wall that I would love to have in my home, because it really showcases the craftsmanship and the artistry of shoemakers and shoe design. It has, let me see, Azzedine Alaïa, I see Christian Dior, I see all the designers that I mentioned a little while ago, and most of the shoes, I believe, were not worn. They have absolutely no wear on the soles. So I gotta tell you, I mean, I've said this before, it's such a privilege to live in Los Angeles for so many reasons, but one of the best reasons is because Julien's is here, and I get to see things that I would never have an opportunity to see. And you know, I just feel like, for those of you that are fans of Janet Jackson, you should know that there is a catalog available that's 3 sections. It's in a hard box, And when you lift that puppy, the lid, up, you get an incredible video that she produced that exhibits a lot of the pieces that are here for sale. And for those of you that are not really in a position to spend money on a collectible, you know, because of the provenance, the catalog has been priced at a level that pretty much most people can afford. It's $200. And I know that it's going to be a collectible in and of itself because of its unique, I've never seen an auction catalog with a video on the inside, and it just blew my socks off. So I'm going to say that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed going through and seeing these beautiful pieces. And I look forward to seeing you next go around, okay? Take care. Bye.